How to set up Google Analytics on your website. So obviously go into Google Analytics, type that in, come in here. So if you already have an account, like I have one set up, otherwise if you don't, you have to go through the sign up process. So for example, the sign up process would be, so then you'd come in here, click Google Analytics, sign into your Gmail, go through that process. So it's super simple, you just have to set it up. Since I already have one set up, I'm going to show you in here. So I'm going to go into click admin, I'm already here. So then you're going to click create an account. You're going to type in what you want to name it. Come down here, account. This is all fine, you can leave that, you can keep it. Just hit next. Measure website, apps, that's good. Website name, you want to type in this. Then URL. You can put industry here, United States, Los Angeles time, or select the time that you want. Hit create. Also just agree to this, hit accept, and now that's it. Now once you have the data here, you're going to have to go back to your website. So I want you to go click on your website, depending on what type of site you have, log in. This is a WordPress site. So then we're going to log into the website. And so different themes allow you to do stuff. So this is a Divi theme. So if you come into theme options, you can go into integrations and you can add header code in here. So I'm in the header code here. So I'm going to just come back here, copy this code here, come back here, add code to head. And then I'm just going to enter that in here. And then hit save. Open your site up. So this really cool plugin, you can click Google Tag Assistant, click enable, and then hit refresh. And now you can see Google Analytics code is installed. So that's it. That's how you install Google Analytics. Another way would be, if you didn't use a Divi theme, you go into plugins, add new, go to header and footer code. And I like this one specifically. There's a lot of them out there, but you can just install a header and footer code. So you hit just install here. And this is great for like if you're using Facebook and other tools, so you can add it in different spots and add it specific pages. So hit activate here. And then you're going to come into this here where it says all snippets HFCM. And here, add new snippet. We're just going to go Google Analytics, right? We don't want to exclude pages. All thing, header, here, paste that in, hit save. And then we'd go back to the website to double check. Obviously, we already have this live and working. So now we have that. And you notice it's in yellow because we have it installed twice. So we want to go back here and we want to go into all snippets, or go into all snippets here, and we want to just turn this one off. And then when we come back here, we hit refresh on the code here. Now it's working, it's live. If you have any other website or a ClickFunnels or any of that stuff, you just install that in the header code on all the pages. Once this code is installed on all the pages, or you add the tracking ID if you're using a Shopify or an other store, then you'll have Google Analytics installed. And that's how you install it. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us up, let us know, leave us a remark, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.